How's it going, Murray? I hope I'm saying that right. We spoke on the phone earlier yesterday. This is Owen with Bright Marketing, and this is that video that I was talking about on the phone that I wanted to send you guys. It's just going to cover 3 different things that you can do today to start bringing in more business using your website here and beat out your competition online. Now, I don't want to waste any of your time, so I'm going to make this pretty quick, but if you do like what you hear by the end of this video, and you can tell that I have some tricks up my sleeve to help grow your business online, and that's something that you happen to be interested in, please feel free to reach out, or if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. But if not, no harm, no foul. You can take these tips I'm going to give you here today, and you can apply them or put them into action for yourself. The only thing that I ask is for a little bit of feedback on this video, if you don't mind. So without further ado, we can go ahead and get started. The 3 things that I want to talk to you today about is going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So landing on your page, first thing is content. And now content, anything you see here in terms of text, pictures, videos. Google likes to see around 2,000 words on your homepage. And any of these inner pages you have up here, around a thousand words on those inner pages. And pictures, even what the pictures are saved as, Google will read that and kind of index it. And these are all the things that the search engine can read and get an idea of what services you offer, the areas that you're targeting, and that'll kind of position you in the search rankings. So having unique, authoritative content is really important, and enough content to add certain keywords or key phrases, and I'll go over what those are here in a second, into that content. So when people are searching for those words, they're able to find you for the services that you provide, if that makes sense. So that's content. The second thing I wanted to talk to you guys about today is something called citations. Now, if you do a quick Google search for pool cleaning in Tampa, Florida, this is the map that you normally see, and right below it is something that we like to call the map pack. And citations have a lot to do with this map pack here. And what a citation is your business name, address, and phone number in directories all throughout the web. And you might be asking yourself what a directory is and how you get in those. Well, a directory is just a website out there that allows businesses to have their information listed on them. For example, Facebook, Yellow Pages, LinkedIn, Yelp, or any of those kind of websites that are there just to give people another way to reach you. So the more citations you have, the better chances you have of holding a spot right here in the map pack, which is a nice piece of digital real estate, as I like to say. And an idea that I like to use is I like to see the competition here and see who's in the area and what directory they're using, because if it's working for them, it's going to work for you as well. And so you don't want to go out and just get what your competition has. You want to go out and get what they have, and then you want to add some more. So that way you can dominate the space of the map pack right here, and it'll help rank you well as well as the content that you have on your page. So that was content and citations. The last thing that I wanted to cover are backlinks, and that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. And what a backlink essentially is, it's just a link out there on another person's website, and that link could potentially bring some traffic from the other website to yours. Now, not all backlinks are created equal, and I will cover that here in a second. When I hop over to a tool I like to use called Ahrefs. Now, this tool isn't 100% accurate, but they do buy their data from Google, so it gives us a good idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition too. So we can see here that you have 37 referring domains or other websites linking back to your website 86 times. So you have 86 backlinks. And you can see here that over time, this website or your website has had 228 backlinks and 52 referring domains. Now, what I meant by not all backlinks are created equal, certain backlinks and websites have a higher domain rating right here, so they carry more authority, power, and strength with them when they link back to your website. So out of those 86 backlinks on your page, you're being found for 3 keywords, and the more keywords that you start ranking for, you'll have more organic traffic coming in because more people are finding you. So if we go to your keywords, we can see the 3 that you were starting to rank for. And these are good because these are local rankings, so great job there. If we go back to the organic section and we pull up the competition, let's say pool troopers, we can see that they have 257 referring domains or other websites, and linking back to them 4.53 thousand times. And out of those backlinks right here, They're being found in 7.1 thousand keywords, and that's giving them 5.2 thousand organic traffic right here. And again, this is just a tool. It's not 100% accurate, but we can go into their keywords and position them right here, and we can kind of see which keywords they're ranking for, what's giving them a lot of traffic. And we can see down here, so that they have quite a lot, and this is their position, how much traffic it's bringing them. And these are the kind of keywords that you're going to want to go after. Let me see if I can find you some. They're more of like local, like Bay Area pool service, Tampa pool service, Spring, Texas, kind of the city that they're in. And to be at your competition, these are the kind of keywords that you're going to want to be starting to rank for, is the local search. And just like citations, you want to see what they're being ranked for and go after those, and then add some more so you can ultimately kind of beat them out when it comes to that keyword. So that's kind of it. Those are the three things that I wanted to cover with you today. Sorry it carried on a little longer than I anticipated, but if you would like to know more about how Bright can help grow your business online, please give us a call and we can chat some more. If not, no worries. Enjoy the free tips I've given you here today. If you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did, that'd be greatly appreciated. Thanks again for your time and have a great day.